Elephants only sleep an average of 3 hours a day. Let's try again. Sloths spend almost 15 hours a day. By Jove, that's right. This sleepyhead cat naps up to 20 hours a day. He can do whatever he likes. He's king of the jungle. I say you are a maze master indeed. Mowgli's absolutely thrilled you found the way out to the village. Welcome home, old chap.
Yeah, man, that morning sun peeks over the mountains, and all the rhinos rub their eyes when they hear the jungle rhythm. Those birds are tap, tap, tapping tree trunks. The busy bee hums as he flies loud and clear to the jungle rhythm.